Faceless 2D animation channels are exploding on YouTube right now. Take the Hoodie Guy channel, for example. Almost 834,000 subscribers with just 46 shorts. Another creator in the same niche hit over 20 million views and 210,000 subscribers with only 30 videos, making more than $2,000 every month, according to Vidic Software. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process they're using. We'll start from coming up with viral ideas and writing scripts, all the way to creating fully animated 2D video. The best part? It only uses free AI tools, just like the pros are doing it right now, and it only takes minutes. Make sure you watch till the end. Alright, to make this really easy for you, I've shared all the prompts we'll use today in the free Discord server. Prompts section, you'll find the link in the description. Now, first we need video ideas and a script for our story. So, copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, it will generate 10 engaging scripts that are already structured to capture viewers' attention and keep them watching. Take your time to go through them and pick the one you like best. Next, we need to create visuals for our video. For that, we'll need prompts for images and videos. Go back to the Discord and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then, simply replace the placeholder with one of your selected video ideas. What this prompt does is really powerful. It breaks your script down scene by scene and creates detailed prompts for the main characters, images, and animation. Instead of guessing what to generate, ChatGPT tells you exactly what to create for each moment, making your video look professional and polished. Once our script and prompts are ready, it's time to create the voiceover. For this, you can use tools like ElevenLabs. Go to the text-to-speech section, paste your selected video script, and choose your preferred voice from the list. You can filter and pick the voice that matches your style, then generate the voiceover. Now our voiceover is ready, let's move on to generating images. For this, I'm using Nano Banana inside Google Flow. It's completely free and lets you create unlimited images. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 1. Paste it into Google Flow. To keep your characters consistent across all visuals, copy the character prompt and paste it into the text box. Once that's done, click Generate. As you can see, this costs 0 credits, and the AI will give you high-quality 2D visuals instantly. Look at how clean and polished they look. It's really impressive. Next, repeat this process for all your scenes. Copy each image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate your images. You can even adjust the aspect ratio or choose a different image generation model in the settings to suit your video. The results are amazing, and consistency in your characters makes your animation look professional. Once your images are ready, it's time to animate them. You can use Google Veo 3 inside Google Flow, but it costs credits. If you want a free option, try Grok AI. Here's how. Go to Grok AI and click Imagine from the sidebar, then select Video. Download your first scene image from Google Flow and upload it to Grok AI. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene video animation prompt, and paste it into Grok AI's text box. Then, click Generate. Repeat this for all the remaining images. Upload each scene as a reference, paste in the matching animation prompt, and generate your animated clips. Once all clips are ready, you'll see just how incredible they look. Now comes the final step, putting everything together using the free CapCut tool. Start by adding your voiceover and all your animated clips to the timeline. Arrange them in the correct order of your story. Then, trim and adjust each clip to match the flow of your voiceover. It may take a little tweaking, but this ensures your video feels natural and professional. Next, add transitions between clips for a smooth, cinematic look. Move to the audio section and add background music. You can choose anything that fits your story. For my example, I'm adding some horror music to match the mood. After that, add captions, customize them, and if you like, apply filters for extra polish. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. And that's it. You've successfully created a 2D animation short using only free AI tools. Here's how the final video looks.
Imagine waking up alone in the forest with no memory of who you are, and every animal seems to be watching. Survival experts say humans can go days without food, but only minutes without water, and your mind tricks you into seeing monsters in the shadows. One wrong move, and the forest doesn't forgive, making every step feel like a life or death puzzle.
This process is simple, repeatable, and gives you the exact blueprint to start creating your own videos. This niche is growing fast, and channels are already earning thousands of dollars per month, so there's no better time to start. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.